this exhibit at and there I am. We know where we're going. You know what I mean? Girl math. Costco croissants are necesito. Okay, so you guys already know I'm at the one and only Costco, and I just came in here to do an exchange, but naturally I picked up a few things for the house. So I grabbed Lysol wipes, 5 of these. So I'm gonna be giving them, I'm probably gonna give like 2 to my mom. There's always like a mom tax, like, you know what I mean? Especially when I'm at Costco. I got salad, I got some Greek yogurt for the morning, some bread, some croissants, and some hydrangeas, because I'm absolutely obsessed with this flower, but this flower is knee deep. Oh my gosh. So the turnaround is a lot, and I've been obsessed with like blue hydrangeas for some reason. I don't know why. It's just like, I don't know, but the ones that they have right now aren't in the greatest condition, so I really like the white ones, so I went with white. And I also got a rotisserie chicken, which I'm gonna make some chicken stock with, that I'm really excited about. If you guys watched that IKEA haul video, I shared the jars that I use for chicken stock, and I got an extra one, so I'm excited to make that because it's getting chilly, honey. Okay, so we're done at Costco. The next thing we're gonna do is some furniture shopping, baby, because your girl found a deal. Actually, I didn't find one, my sister did, but whatever. Anyway. We're gonna be heading over to Structube because, ooh, I hope these chairs are nice. No, it's west. I'm trying to go west. No, it is this way. Okay, cool. Now that we know where we're going, how do I get out of here though? BRB. So these are the ones that I want, but not in this color. Although the black ones are very tempting, I'm really considering the black ones, I'll be honest. But the look that I'm going for is like very much neutral, calming, bohemian goddess type vibe, you know what I mean? And a little razzle dazzle, a little sprinkle of opulence, you feel me? Don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah, and like things like this, like, you see, this is exactly what I mean, like a cream and like green brown accents, you know what I mean? I'm trying to make the place look like me. The place that I got my table at had these chairs almost like identical. Like, I'll put both pictures side by side, but they were selling it for $300 and Structube is selling it for $150 on sale. So I can get 2 for 1, and I'm trying to get 4, so that means I'm really getting 2 for free, like, you know what I mean? Girl math. This is really cute. Oh, it's leather. Shut up. I thought it was like a creamy cushion thing. And there I am. Oh, this is really nice. What? I have one olive tree downstairs, but I think I need another one for the upstairs. So I'm heading over to, oh, I gotta turn off that light. I'm heading over to the AGO with my good friend Sarah, but I just put this outfit last minute, and it's giving all black everything. I could put my hair in a little cute bun. So it's growing. I'm really excited, but we're both running a bit late. Ooh, but this is what, I think that's my work. 1 second. What? I'm sorry. Oh, wow, this has never happened to me before. Hello, please cancel. Forgot the last passenger of her mobile phone. I have to return it to her. Thank you. I'm sorry. That's really sweet. Okay, well now I'm for sure gonna be late, but at least you're doing the right thing. But yeah, so anyway, as I was saying, I haven't done this side part in God knows how long. I gotta get another Uber. Anyhoosers, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm really loving that you guys are loving the vlogs. I'm really loving filming and editing them. So let's head over to the AGO. And if you are visiting Toronto or you're in Toronto, go check out the AGO. It's fun. Ta-da! Hi! The luxury of speaking the same language. The luxury of speaking the same language. I know. It's a luxury. Oh, so there it appears. Very cool. No? Wait. Let's see if Sarah gets it. She's gonna get it. You got it? They didn't get it either. Yeah, I don't know.
I'm not graceful.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Nice vest. Yeah, thanks. It's your cousin? Shut up! Shout out. What's your name? Johanna. Okay. I actually got a chance to see this exhibit at... Sorry. I got a chance to see this exhibit, Feels Like Home, during the summer actually. When I got back from Seattle, I literally was so jet lagged, but I really want to support the local artists, and I'm really happy I got to see the full exhibit at the AGO. I encourage you guys to check it out if you guys are in Toronto, but oh my god, it's such a proud moment right now. Like, you know, like those random nights where you meet someone and you're instantly best friends? That's what happened that night. I hope you guys can meet her soon, but she is an absolute gem, and that was the most unforgettable night. That will be a story time for another day, but it was that night, seeing the preview of this exhibit, that I got to meet such incredible people. Oh my god. Transferring the pics, this is a godsend. It's instantaneous. Our phones are hugging. So we found, or actually it's right across the street from the AGO, a Vietnamese restaurant, and luckily they let us in. Oh, such great fun! I can't wait to get my new phone. But we were at a restaurant and they already had last call, but Sarah came through. I was just like, we're gonna be customers at this establishment. We're gonna be sad. Do you remember that TikTok? Sit back down, I'm sad. Bruh, that was on my mind 24/7. All of last year.
Whenever there's ones like that, it's just like,
oh, so good. Oh my god, you know the one? Do you know this one? He's from Toronto.
yeah. People are hating on him.
Why?
Because he got so big getting sponsorships already.
Come on, man. Everybody gotta eat. Like, come on now. It's hilarious when he says pookie. I don't know who he's talking about. Wait, So I'm on my way. Do you mind if I vlog? Yeah, okay, thanks. So I'm on my way to an Amazon event, which is really cool. I've been to their events before, but nothing in like the fashion space, so I'm really excited about that, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I always get nervous recording and I'm like, my girl is back, baby. I'm back. She's back. Where did I go before? I don't know actually. I haven't posted that vlog yet. Do you know this thing's closed down?
That's like 10 vlogs ago.
I know. Do you know it's closed down?
No!
It closed down.
What's
And the food was so good.
Mistake?
It was so good and they shut down.
When?
I heard it was 2 months ago they shut down. Yeah, but anyway, it's Alma, the one and only.
Hi, thank you so much for coming today. We invite you to please take your seats. The dinner service is about to begin.